Welcome to challenge number 16. This one's called What's Your Name? And it's a pretty simple one. We're provided with a template, hello, first name, last name. You just delved into Python. And we're meant to take these placeholders, first name and last name, and replace them with actual first and last names. Now, there's a lot of different ways we can solve this once again, but there's one way that is very easy. Now, easy is not always better, but I think in this case, it really is best. So what we're going to do is we're going to use an F string. Once again, we find ourselves in the Python documentation, today looking at string formatting. And specifically, we're interested in formatted string literals, also known as F strings. And these F strings, in my opinion, are by far the easiest and the best way to achieve these kind of tasks as we're looking at today. F strings allow us to insert the value of any Python expression into a string super easily. All we have to do is type F, then the string, and then use curly brackets to include the variable names. And when it's printed out, those will be replaced by the value of the variable. Now, if you look through the documentation closely, you'll see that there's a lot of different ways to format strings, including string format methods. Then there's manual string formatting and old string formatting. But yeah, trust me on this, the F string is really the best way, or better, don't trust me on it, try it out for yourself, form your own opinion. But I personally find F strings to be a lot easier to use. And that's what we'll do now. So we'll solve our problem using F strings. So back to our little string formatting challenge. All we need to do now is print out our template and insert our two variables. So the way that we do this is inside our function, we'll just go print, and then we'll declare our F string. So all we need to do is type F, then our string, and we'll start with the template, hello. And now we want to insert the first name. So all we need to do is curly brackets and first, because that's the variable that's going to have our first name, space, and last name. Same thing, curly brackets, last. And then the rest of the template. So let me just copy paste that. Oops. That's it. And let's run it. That should work. And it does. We'll submit our code. Perfect. Now, as you know, I usually like to see if we can make things a little bit more challenging for ourselves, so we learn a little bit more of those problem-solving skills. But in this case, I think F strings really do just fine. This is actually a really simple example. You can do a lot more with F strings. If you want me to make a video on F strings, just let me know. But for now, I think we're good to move on to the next one. So I'll see you there.